Hey everybody, this is Hunter. Hope you're having an awesome day. I know I sure am. It is an absolutely beautiful evening here in Trenton, Ohio at RV Nation. As you can see, give you a quick little view, set the mood, get it going right. But today I am going to tour an awesome bunk model Class C that quite literally has the largest slide out that I have ever seen in a camper. I'm not too familiar with the motorhome side, as we just picked them up about 6 months ago to a year. We are the #1 towable dealer in the entire nation. So it's nice to get brands such as the Sunseeker in here. We also picked up another Class C, which I'm very excited about. Hope to bring you some videos here in the following months of that as well. But once again, the 2021 Sunseeker Classic 3270, and it is awesome. And I think you're going to enjoy the first walk around as much as I did. And if you guys like RV videos or find this helpful in any way, at the time of making this video, I'm just shy of 3,800 subscribers. I think it's 3,793, but I'm trying to get up to 5,000 by the end of the new year. So if you guys could help me out with a subscribe, that would be fantastic. But yeah, today I'm going to go around the inside, show you a couple neat things, and then go around the outside and call it a night. But as you can see, nice, light, bright, modern interior. You got some recliners, sleeping space up there, cabinets all over this place. But when I said the slide is the biggest slide I've ever seen, I'm not lying. So check this out. It starts right here and goes all the way back to that back wall in the bedroom. But we'll get there here in a minute. Today, I'm going to go front to back. So with that being said, let's get the show started. And if you guys are in the market for an RV, I'd love to be your guy. My email is hunter@thervhunter.com. So right here, Class C, you got your little cockpit area. I'm not going to get too much into the forward side of it because truth be told, I'm not a massive truck guy, but I'm learning to be one. But you got this cool little control panel, and you got a whole bunch of different options. Your radio, SXM, audio, phone, rear camera. You click that, and you see you got some really good view back there for sure. It's a wide angle lens, so that is very nice. And then you got USB and settings. That USB, you plug in this little motorhome looking thing, and that pulls up, your manual and all that good jazz. This seat does swivel around, so that's always nice. Up here, being the Class C, you got this nice cab, excuse me, to sleep some additional folks up there if you need. You just slide that portion right over there, and you're good to go. You can sleep 2 easy. It's got these little cup holders and a little cubby to put some, maybe your cell phone or little knickknacks. And then you got, obviously a window right there, and then you have a window here behind this TV that comes out on a swivel. So if you're hanging out, you can angle it towards these recliners or the booth, and you're ready to roll, watch some good TV at night, kind of relax and kick back. There's also another window right there. So yeah, if someone's taking a little day nap, you got views on both sides, and that's always nice. Power recliners. You also have 2 cup holders and these little swivel, little guys. They're a little TV dinner tray type thing. I think they're going for a little bit on the smaller side, but doesn't hurt to have. And right here, as you'll see, you got some seat belts, some storage there. But each side, left and right, has its own USB port, so you can charge your devices. But as I said, it's power. So, you just hold that, goes out, goes back in, you're good to go. These also do recline fairly down flat, so you could sleep in this if you wanted to. You could certainly take a nap. I know I sure have, and a couple just like this. You got a window here behind you. You got a night shade. 2 cup holders, one right there, one right there. But check out the size of that window, and I think that is a great feature to have in a motorhome. The reason why you're buying this thing is to travel around and see beautiful views. How much sense would it make on that rainy day to not have the ability to do that? Above the recliners, you have plenty of storage. A ton of cabinets in this, which I love. A lot of times motorhomes, travel trailers, fifth wheels, they kind of forget about the storage aspect sometimes, and that drives me absolutely crazy. So these have a little lip on them, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about things rattling around and rolling out. It will hit that lip before it does that while you're humbling and bumbling down the road. And check out that woodwork. I think it looks really slick. And again, that is something that you can change if you're not, fond of that decor. But yeah, tons of good storage space. Right over here, you got a little cubby. You can put a DVD player, hook up right here, or you also have a USB port in this Connex system. You're going to see you can pair your phone with it. You have zones A, B, and C. So that's going to be inside, outside, both sides. You can get some tunage rolling. More storage right there. I did forget to show you, you got this little ladder which you can hook on. They put these little black connectors right there. So that way, if you're right here, you put that ladder up. Sleep. All right, so now on the other side, you got this nifty little dinette table, and I like the way that they're working this. One-handed, it is a little bit difficult, so I'm going to show you, only just a fraction of it here. But you just lift up right here and pull down, and it just starts going down. You got to put a little bit of pressure on that far side, but you get the gist of it with that. But that lowers down. Oh, well, there you go. Really need the two hands. Back in sleeper mode or dinner mode. But you lift up these pillows and it's got these little lips right here. That way you can put that table and rest it on there. Fold this over here, fold that over there, and you have another sleeping space. So this camper sleeps an absolute ton. Probably 1 to 2 right here. 1 adult, maybe a couple kids right there. Then you got the bunks, boom, boom. And then you obviously have your nice size, traditional bed as well. Pull out drawers. So good depth there. Plenty of space to put your stowaway items. And you'll notice when I close that, even these, even though they're really kind of, I wouldn't say unimportant, but maybe you don't use them quite as much, they have that soft close. Did you see that? So it's just a nice little added touch where you know that they actually, care about their product, and just put a soft close there. That way you're not slamming any fingers. Again, plenty of storage. Let's get 2 of these bad boys open for you. So you got that. The third one's going to be more of the same. Plenty of room there. And again, the soft close. Couldn't even hear it. I mean, listen to how quiet this is when it closes here. But again, that goes all the way to the end right here. But check that out. So, I mean, at night when your kids are getting some snacks, you don't have to worry about it because they're going to be quiet walking. So you got this little leaf right here. You just pull that up. Don't know exactly how that latches up, but that latches up pretty easily. I do know that. 2 drawers right here. You got outlets. You have your Connex charge. So this, you just put your cell phone on. Just lay it there just like that. Starts charging all of your devices. As you can see with the glass stove top right here, you have plenty of counter space. That way you can do some prepping before you do some cooking. And that's always nice to have. You got some, residential feel to that bad boy. Goodness gracious, I'm having a rough day. I don't know. I can't seem to make anything work today, but that's all right. We all have days just like this. Single bowl, stainless steel. Good God, I might need to restart this video. This is going awful. I can't, though. I got a nice dinner date with a hot lady at home, a newborn baby. Gonna go home and play. I cannot wait. I'm so freaking excited to see her. Team Girl Dad, so to all the girl dads, shout out to you. All the girl moms, shout out to you too. Being a dad is amazing. Most of the reason why I started this channel, the second we found out we were having a baby, trying to find ways to get some exposure, get some more business, get some more money in there. Baby needs a college fund. So at this time, if you're still watching, subscribe for my baby. 3 stovetop burner. The convection microwave, which you just saw. Let's give you another little view here around. You got your AC right here, and I believe, yeah, this camper has dual AC, so there's another AC right there. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's go right back to this bunk. So you got bunk beds here, bunk beds there, and more storage there underneath. You have 2 of those. All right. So before we head back to the bathroom and the bedroom, let's show you this Magic Chef refrigerator. Really, really great size. It's a 10.7, 12-volt refrigerator, so that's really nice. It'll run off the battery, you know, electric. You're ready to roll. This thing does have solar, so this thing's going to be virtually running 24/7 if you want it to. But really good space with that. It'll actually, the freezer will keep your ice cream frozen, as opposed to your traditional RV refrigerator, which kind of keeps everything a little bit soft. And right here, I always think is pretty neat. So you open up that, you yank that latch. And I think that's pretty cool. A little stowaway, you know, a little closet-esque, you know, type deal. Nice little pantry there. And again, these all have a severe lip on them, so that way food won't be rolling around. I did see one customer that actually used some glue on the inside, and they put, you know, one of those little flexible, you know, netting there. So I thought that was pretty neat. The bathroom size actually did shock me, because a camper with this big of a slide out, you know, and just being the size that it is, it's not overwhelmingly long. This thing has a great slide. And I think this is a good opportunity to talk about how beautiful this flooring is. I think it looks really nice. You have your porcelain throne, your Dometic push flush. You got yourself your sink, some storage there underneath. Couple more outlets. Bada bing, bada boom. Little fan to flush out the stink. Then you got a shower. The nice little skylight to get a little bit extra natural light. I like that little shower head there. That looks nice. All right. So you can go through here 2 different ways. You got right here with a little pocket door. That door is a little bit thinner on the thinner side, but it'll suffice. You know, you got to make a couple concessions for having dual entry into that bathroom. And then right here, you got the master bedroom with another massive window here in the back. It also doubles as an emergency exit. But really good sized bed, plenty of storage here in the bedroom, you know, with all these cabinets up on the top. You got this right here. And of course, you got some outlets. You have your Dometic controls, you know, for your different zones, all that good stuff. So 2 lights, one right here, one right there. Plenty of storage up top. And right here, you got a closet and a ton of more storage. This camper's got a lot of storage to this. And that is, that slide out goes from there again, you know, all the way down to right there. And I think that's pretty neat. That thing blew my mind. I'll show it to you on the outside. It's pretty crazy. It's pretty wild. So a really good size hanging closet area. You got a little hook there, so that way you can put all your hangers into that. Makes it real easy to organize. You know, it's not just that straight up bar that goes across. You actually have a home for every hanger. A little convenient, a little nicer. Just Good storage there. Two more of these pull-out drawers right here. Some dresser drawers. And then check that out. Pretty good storage there. And then, of course, you got a TV. And behind the TV, I believe, it's like the other models. Let's see here. I swear they change these things like every week. There we go. You just got to pull hard, so it's right there. Push that in. That is really locked in there for travel mode. But you got some kind of hidden storage right behind it with a couple outlets. All right, so now you got a good view of the inside, good tour of the inside. You know what you're working with. Again, the 2022 Sunseeker Classic 3270. Really awesome camper, as you can see, versatile for the whole fam. As far as the exterior is concerned, you got this really nice look. You can also get it in the full body paint. You have a really nice size awning with the LED lights that run underneath it. Some good storage there, 2 compartments. And it also has a little side camera that you can see. And right behind here, you got a little outdoor TV so you guys can, you know, watch the game or watch a movie in the great outdoors. Your propane slot. You also have a couple more, you know, access points right there for your GFCI. So another few outlets, which is always nice. Storage and some access points for some of your service needs right there. This camper also has a 4,000 watt generator. So that's, you know, good to have if you're at the campground. You just want to keep this bad boy powered if you're doing a little bit more, you know, boondocking for the night, pulling over at that Walmart. Sensors. So when you're driving down the road, you know, you got some nice sensors there on the side. I can't remember the name of the system, but as I told you, first time in this floor plan, I am learning, so don't roast me, internet. And if you guys had anything to teach me, by all means, I'm here to listen, because I don't have much experience with these. I've been in about 5 of these Sunseekers in my entire career, and I'm trying to learn them. So right here, that's the other backup camera that I showed you earlier with that nice wide view. You also have a ladder. I believe that holds 250 pounds. Yep, ladder capacity 250 pounds. So I apologize, I won't be able to get on the top, but if I went up there, you'd see a couple ACs, a little satellite, and a solar panel. Now, when I told you before, the slide out was absolutely huge, I am not kidding. Take a look at that bad boy. It's crazy. It's awesome, though. So you have your city water connection. You also have your flush valve, your black tank flush, and you have a little exterior shower port. There's the trash can that's down in the hole where the sink is. And this has one big, massive awning topper. So I have no idea what that would cost. Typically for your normal size slide, they're $700. I have a feeling that comes with a little bit more of a price tag. But once again, this is the 2022 Sunseeker Classic 3270. My name is Hunter. I hope you guys sub. Have a good day. Bye.